How to manage weather alerts notifications on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage weather alerts notifications on Google Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google and then click on your profile here and then click this one, settings, and now click this one, general, and not general, click this one, notifications, and then click notifications again, and here just go down until you find this one, weather alerts for changes, and just click on it and you can turn it off, and if you want to turn it on again just click on it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.